Today we will show you Lovcen National Park. There is the highest located mausoleum in the world.
Apart from the mausoleum itself, the national park is full of attractions, and we'll show you all of them, including a new ride that blew up our Instagram, so make sure to watch till the end.
Many people reach there via Kotor Serpentine. We've already filmed this road. We'll provide a link in the description if you want to see it. And we'll drive through Cetinje on a no less picturesque road. Let's go!
On the way to Cetinje, we recommend you to visit a local attraction, Lipska Cave.
In front of the Lipska Cave, there is an organized parking lot with a small cafe. Keep in mind that you can only reach the cave by a special tourist train that runs every hour and a half during peak season. We've saved the journey inside the cave for a future video, and now it's time for us to get going. Cetinje is a small town at the foot of Lovćen. It's the cultural capital of Montenegro. Here you'll find museums, palaces, and churches. One of the main attractions is the Cetinje Monastery, founded in the 15th century.
If you love history, be sure to come here, and we are moving on further. The road to National Park is very good, all paved. The only thing is, when choosing a car, choose one with an engine of at least 1.5 liters. And today we chose a convertible for the trip, as it's 27 degrees in Montenegro. Entry to the national park costs €3 per person. By the way, it's free in winter.
In Lovcen National Park, there is a settlement called Ivanova Korita. It's very beautiful here, with plenty of trails for athletes. Many mushroom pickers like to come here to get the mushrooms. There is also a very active adventure park for children and places for barbecue.
If you're just passing through like us or out for a stroll, there are several restaurants where you can try traditional Montenegrin cuisine.
We arrived at the mausoleum. The entrance fee is €8 for adults, €4 for children. And now we face a great challenge of 461 steps.
The mausoleum was built in memory of Petar II Petrović Njegoš, the last prince of Montenegro. He was an energetic and active ruler, as well as a philosopher and poet. His poem, The Mountain Wreath, is considered one of the greatest works of Montenegrin literature. Through his reforms, Petar helped Montenegro become a centralized state.
The observation deck of the mausoleum behind me offers a stunning 360-degree panoramic view over Montenegro, believed to show 60% of the country.
Usually after Lovcen, tourists stop by the village of Njegosi.
Here you can buy very delicious homemade cheese and also the national local dish prosciutto. It's dried meat.
Recently, Lovcen has got a new attraction that you absolutely must visit, and it's an adventure in itself. In 2023, a cable car was built in Kotor. In just 11 minutes, the funicular takes you up Lovcen. There's a fully equipped tourist zone here with a restaurant offering breathtaking views, a cafe, a pump track for kids, and bicycle rentals for adults. And finally, the main event. And undoubtedly, the highest located mountain coaster in Montenegro.
Yo, get the speaker box loud, hitting that stuff till you hearing that sound.
As you drive towards Kotor, you'll come across a viewpoint called the Best View of Kotor. Let's take a look together. The road itself is very picturesque. You could stop at nearly every turn. And then there's the famous Kotor Serpentine Road.